There are thousands of AI tools out there, but only a few actually change your life. And these 10 tools were the ones I wish I knew sooner, because they save time, save money, and make your entire day run automatically. Let's go through them one by one. Tool number 1, Perplexity AI. This tool is basically a search engine with a brain. Instead of giving you a list of links, Perplexity pulls information from across the internet, summarizes it, cites its sources, and explains it clearly. It's fast, accurate, and perfect for doing deep research without falling into endless tabs. If you've ever wasted hours looking for answers, this will change your life. Tool number 2, Gamma. If you've ever wanted to make a clean, professional presentation without opening PowerPoint, Gamma does it for you in seconds. You type a topic, choose a style, and it generates the entire slideshow. Layout, images, text, everything. You can edit anything instantly, and the designs always look polished. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or a creator, this tool saves hours of work. Tool number 3, Notion AI. This is like having a second brain that's always organized. It rewrites messy notes, creates summaries, builds plans, helps you brainstorm, and keeps everything structured automatically. It doesn't just help you think, it helps you remember, plan, and execute. You can run your personal life and your entire business inside one clean system. Tool number 4, ElevenLabs. For voiceovers, narration, content, or character voices, this tool is next level. It turns text into studio-quality audio instantly. You can clone your voice, generate multiple versions, adjust tone, and create professional sound in seconds. If you make content or need audio for anything, this tool feels like cheating. Tool number 5, Leonardo AI. This is one of the best image generation tools for creators. You can produce product photos, thumbnails, posters, artwork, and visuals with incredible detail. No photography, no expensive gear, and no design skills needed. For branding, content, or business visuals, Leonardo gives you high-end images faster than any design tool. Tool number 6, Mixo. Mixo builds entire landing pages automatically. You describe an idea, and it generates the website, layout, and copy for you. It's perfect for testing business ideas, building waitlists, launching side projects, or creating simple websites in minutes. No coding, no templates, no overthinking, just fast execution. Tool number 7, Fireflies AI. Think of this as your meeting assistant. It records your calls, transcribes every word, extracts action items, and organizes all your notes for you. You can skip a meeting and still know everything that happened. It integrates with your apps and stores everything automatically, so you never miss important details again. Tool number 8, Durable. Durable builds full business websites in under a minute. Choose your niche, click Generate, and the entire site appears. Images, structure, branding, and copy included. It's amazing for freelancers, small businesses, or anyone who needs a website fast without hiring a designer. Tool number 9, QuillBot. If you write anything, emails, essays, descriptions, captions, QuillBot rewrites your text to make it clearer and more professional. It improves tone, fixes grammar, and reshapes messy writing instantly. If you want your communication to look clean and confident, this tool is a must. And tool number 10, Taskade AI. This tool creates workflows, project plans, mind maps, and outlines from a single prompt. It helps you organize tasks, ideas, and goals in minutes, and you can collaborate in real time. It's powerful, simple, and flexible. Everything you need to stay on top of your life or business. Before we wrap up, here's something important. AI only becomes life-changing when you actually use it daily. A lot of people try a tool once and then never open it again. But a small set of tools, used consistently, removes hours of work every single day without you noticing. For example, Perplexity for research, Notion AI for planning, Leonardo for visuals, Fireflies for meetings, and Taskade for organizing. Just these few tools can transform your entire workflow. Less mental load, fewer repetitive tasks, and more time for the things that matter. That's why these tools feel life-changing, because they quietly make your day smoother without any extra effort. These 10 tools aren't just interesting, they're practical and powerful. And once you start using them consistently, your entire day begins running automatically. If you want more AI tools, automations, and faceless systems that work while you don't, subscribe for more.